We're here today trying to count as many birds as we possibly can in Circle, which is about a 5-mile circle that stretches all the way from the lake up to LaSalle, includes Amherstburg, and we have different crews, so there are 5 different zones. We're in zone 1, but there are 5 zones that are being counted today. The counts are basically done to give us, over the Christmas period, a sense of, all the way across North America these counts are done, and will allow us to get a sense of what the bird populations are doing at this time of year. Originally organized by the Audubon societies in the States, Bird Studies Canada now coordinates the Canadian Christmas bird counts. Today, we're not seeing a lot of birds out. Why? We don't know. But this year's, most of the bird counts in this particular area have been quite low in terms of species, numbers of species, numbers of birds being seen. Obviously there'll be a lot of agonizing after the fact to try and figure out why that is happening, but it is quite noticeably down this year, and that is a bit of a cause for concern.